Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Circle to search on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So this option can be used with any navigation mode. So if you have the three buttons or if you have the bar at the bottom, you still can use it. So to do it, you need to just press and hold on the home button, or if you have gestures, then on the bar just press and hold. It'll open this thing right here, and now you can just circle anywhere where you want to search. So like it'll just take a screenshot of your screen for a moment, so you can just like look up anything that happens on your screen. So let's like go anywhere, maybe let's go to Google. Then, for example, you wanna check these headphones. Let's see if it finds them. And it has, so it's pretty great. It can also find other things like this GPU. I think it'll recognize it as well. So you can also tap instead of circling it. And yes, it has found it. And it's the correct thing. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.